Are you ready for the surprise?
Yeah.
Close your eyes first.
I'm closing my eyes first.
Okay, we're coming. Here I have completed my present wrapping and waiting for the next day. Be with us and don't miss Affan's birthday. Good morning. Today is Affan's birthday and here is his special breakfast. And the tiny little present. Abu, Assalamualaikum. Happy birthday, Affan. What's that?
What's this?
This is your gift, morning gift. Do you like it, Affan?
But it's broken or what?
No, it's not broken.
I have to choose yellow.
So here is your tiny chocolate. I don't know what's that. Chocolates or gummy?
Oh, I like them.
Yay!
I'll do those next time.
Okay.
Strawberry is yummy.
Boo! So Affan, today's your birthday.
Yeah.
Are you ready to see your surprises?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Me too.
Oh. Okay, you have to wait for a few minutes. Okay? After
I'm
that-
waiting for a few minutes.
Oh.
It's so long.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Wait a little bit more, okay? Okay. Are you ready for the surprise?
Yeah.
Close your eyes first.
I'm closing my eyes first.
Okay, we're coming.
I cannot see anything.
Really?
Oh. Oh, thank you, everyone. Wait.
Welcome.
What is
Stand
lovely
over.
cake, lovely cake. Hey, everyone. Oh my goodness, there's so many balloons.
Say hi to everyone, Affan.
Everyone, hey guys. Hey guys, everyone.
Are you happy, Affan?
Yeah, I'm happy. Also, happy birthday, Affan.
How's the cake?
Hmm?
How's the cake?
Yes, pretty good. Also, there's so many balloons. Also, so many things. I'm ready to open this surprise.
No, not now.
Yeah. First, I have to eat the cake.
Yeah.
First, give me the knife.
Okay.
Hello. Hello. Hello again. What's your name? Your name is Ross. Okay. watching our video. Also subscribe. And bye.